Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Vercellino, and today I'm going to talk to you about the VA
Jumbo
loan. Yes, I said it, the VA jumbo loan, how it works, and how we as veterans can take advantage of really the only loan product that's available in the marketplace today that allows veterans that are purchasing a home that is north of the conforming loan limit to do it with no money down. And we've got some business to take care of. If you found that this information was of value, do me a favor, consider showing your love, clicking like on this video. Number 2, subscribing to this channel. And lastly, number 3, commenting down below with your questions so that way I can get them answered for you. So today I wanted to talk to my veterans that, I don't know, maybe they're physicians, maybe they're lawyers, attorneys, maybe they're entrepreneurs or self-employed. It doesn't really matter. Bottom line is that I want you, I always feel like Uncle Sam when I say that, by the way, but I want you to truly understand the value or the benefit of the VA home loan, because the reality of this is that the VA doesn't advertise it, and if the VA doesn't advertise it, mortgage lenders don't understand it, and if mortgage lenders don't understand it, guess what? Real estate agents don't understand it. So how in the world can we ever expect you, the veteran or active duty service member, to understand this stuff? And it's like, we don't, and that's why I'm here, to provide and assist all veterans, active duty service members with all of the information that they need to make informed buying decisions on VA loan. So again, I'm talking about a VA
jumbo
home loan. So first, let's just talk about briefly jumbo loans as a whole. Generally speaking, jumbo loans, non-VA jumbo loans, require a roughly, call it 20% down payment, minimum 20%. There are some options that will allow you to finance more than an 80 LTV, but generally speaking, across the board, it's a 20% down payment. With a VA jumbo loan, you want to take a guess on what the down payment is? Settle. Zero.
Nothing. Zero. Nada.
Right? Nothing, right? And it's like, well, how in the world can that happen? Well, I'm going to briefly share with you that in March of 2020, the Trump administration released something called the Vietnam Veterans Blue Water Initiative Act, or was signed into law by the Trump administration. What this did was it provided aid to veterans that served off the coast of Vietnam that were exposed to Agent Orange. But within that bill, and basically what happened was the VA loan limit cap was lifted. On a VA jumbo loan, I'm going to write, a veteran can now go up to, you ready for this?
100%.
100% financing, right? Up to, I should say, unlimited purchase price. So could a veteran get $1 million loan with no money down? Yes. Could a veteran get a $2 million home with no money down? Yes. Could a veteran get a $3 million home with no money down? Yes. Assuming that you pre-qualify for the loan and that you're eligible by way of income and credit. Still have to check those boxes. It's not an automatic approval or guarantee. So think about that for a second. I talked 20% down on a jumbo loan, and certainly if you go higher than 20% down, or I should say higher than an 80 LTV on a jumbo loan, you're gonna have to pay something called PMI, private mortgage insurance. On VA jumbo loans, 100% financing, no money down, you're no longer going to have to, or I should say you're never going to have to pay for no private mortgage insurance. Veterans simply stated this is the most competitive jumbo loan financing product that's available on the marketplace today. And I think that there's a lot of veterans out there that somehow or for some reason have been told that the VA loan is for first-time home buyers, or that the VA loan is for somebody with poor credit, or that the VA loan is for somebody that, you know, is barely getting by. It's like, no, the VA home loan is for high net worth individuals that happen to be veterans. So if that's you watching this video, I want you to know that this is arguably, actually, it's not arguably, it is the most competitive jumbo product that is available on the market today. And we want more veterans to understand the power of this benefit. So think about it from the standpoint of, you know, do I want to put a large chunk of money in my house when I could save that money and invest it in a higher interest rate or higher yielding account? That is a fair question to ask, which is why this product is such a value add to veterans and active duty service members that are looking to purchase a home north of the conforming loan limit in most counties across the nation, 726-200. Good to go? So that's a little bit about the VA jumbo loan and how it works, and really what I think you need to know moving forward. So if you have more questions on the VA jumbo home loan, how it works, I want you to know that it's okay. Drop your questions down below, and I personally will reach out to you and make sure that they get answered. VALoansForVets.com is how you can reach me, or you can email me, Jimmy@VALoansForVets.com. Talk to you soon.